Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts. Today we're going to go over the replacement fuel pump kit that fits the 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic with a 1.3, 1.7, or 2.0 liter engine. Now this is a complete kit. As you can see here, it actually includes the fuel pump assembly here, the fuel level sender, the fuel pressure regulator. It also includes a new gasket that seals the fuel pump top to the fuel tank, and it includes a new retaining nut that will actually screw in and secure this to the fuel tank. Now, when you're installing this on the vehicle, you want to make sure you lubricate this gasket here with a silicone spray or light coat of oil, and as you install this, it will compress down. And then you'll install the retaining nut and screw it onto the fuel tank. Now, if you guys have any questions about the fuel pump kit, whether it fits your vehicle or about the installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.